Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a no-bake rum ball. It's very easy. It only has a few ingredients and it's pretty quick to make. It does contain rum, so it is not kid-friendly. But if you wanted to substitute a rum extract, then you should be okay. So we're going to get started. We are going to add 7 tablespoons of unsalted butter to my mixer. And we are using the whipping paddle. And we're just going to get that to get nice and fluffy. It should only take a few minutes. We are now going to add in our 2/3 of a cup of confectioners sugar, which I am going to sift in. This way, what this does is it takes out all the lumps and bumps, whatever's left in there. And we're going to continue to whip this till it's all blended. Okay, so you want everything to be nice and a very light yellow, and it looks fluffy. So that the butter and sugar mixture is good. We are going to leave it in this bowl because the next step is that we are going to take 7 ounces of milk chocolate and 3 ounces of, it's 3.5 ounces of dark chocolate. And we are going to combine them together in a bowl over hot water and combine them until they're melted. So I already started my water boiling and the dish is nice and warm. So what you want to do is keep mixing the chips until they're all melted. And once that you see the majority of them are melted, take it off the flame because you don't want to burn the chocolate, and give the chocolate a few minutes to cool down. So as you can see, the chocolate is all melted. We're going to take it off the heat and give it a chance to cool down, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so our chocolate is in room temperature, so we are going to add it to the butter mixture. Mix that until it's combined, and I'm going to add my 4 tablespoons of rum. And this is where you would substitute your rum extract if you did not want to use real rum. You want to make sure this is mixed really well. And once you have it all combined, you want to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours. Okay, everything is combined. So I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator. So it's been 2 hours, and as you can see, the chocolate's more like a fudge now. So we're going to take a spoonful and we're going to roll it in a ball, whatever size to your liking. And I'm going to roll them in powdered sugar, but you could roll them in chocolate sprinkles, colored sprinkles, the non-parallel sprinkles, whatever you like to have on the outside of your chocolate, shaved chocolate maybe, mini chocolate chips. So it's really up to you what you would like to roll your chocolate in. So basically basically rolling it into mouth-sized pieces. Don't want them to be too big because after all they do have real rum in them. Well, this recipe made about 34 rumballs. I've already rolled them in powdered sugar. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for about another hour and then they will be ready to eat. Okay, I have taken them out of the refrigerator. It's been an hour and now is the time to give it a test. So I'm going to try one. So good. It's like candy rumball, but it's absolutely delicious. Remember, these are not kid friendly, and I will post the recipe down in the comments. Let's give it a taste. So good. Don't think that we can eat too many of these in a row. So good. You definitely cannot eat these too many in a row. There's no way I can eat another one. Getting drunk. So I've taken them out of the refrigerator and they have firmed up quite a bit. Can't wait to taste one. So good. Very chocolatey with the flavor of rum. Just remember, these are not kid friendly, but I do believe they would be a hit of the party if you were to serve these for your guests. Please let me know how you like this recipe down in the comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Look forward to seeing you next time on Baking to Building. And until my next video, have a wonderful day. Bye.